Dude, what does mine say? What about mine?
All right, everyone. We're here at Mako at SeaWorld Orlando, and today's a very special day because guess what happened? Do you want to tell them what happened?
We met a fan.
We met a fan. So this is really cool. We're riding Mako with her. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
All right.
I'm very excited.
This is gonna be really, really cool. I can't wait. Oh man, we're climbing up this lift really fast, but this is really, really cool. I'm really excited. This is SeaWorld Orlando's tallest coaster, 200 feet, and I mean, we're almost here at the top. This lift is fast, right?
It is pretty fast. There's
All right.
some slow ones.
You guys ready? Woo! Whoa! Oh, into the overbank! Woo! Whoa! Woo! Oh man, the airtime! Woo! Oh man, this is so much fun! Oh man! Woo! Oh, you just get pulled through that hammerhead turn! Woo! Whoa! Oh man, those trims!
Stop!
Woo! This is so much fun! Woo! Oh man! Woo! Whoa! Woo! This ride doesn't slow down. We're only halfway there. Woo! Whoa! Oh! Woo! Oh man, those turns are fun, and we're right on the water! Woo!
This ride's amazing.
Oh man, this is my favorite ride at the park. What do you guys think?
I thought it was great.
Yeah, no, this was so much fun. I can't wait to ride again. Let's ride again, okay?
All right.
All right, we're gonna re-queue. We'll see you guys later. Catch you guys later.
See you
Bye.
guys.